Greeting dear students, after record changes, the another topic is accepting or rejecting the changes. Now let us see how to accept or reject your change. The first step, again, you have to click on edit, then you have to click on changes. After this you have to click on this option which is accept or reject the changes. So when I click on this option, I see this dialog box. In this dialog box, the first tool is action, the second one is position, the third one is the author, the fourth one is the date, and the fifth one is the comment. In the action, we would see some content has been changed. In the position, I would see the name of the address or the name of the cell. Then in the author, we would see the name of the author. In the date, we would see at what time and on which date the change was done. And in the comment section, we would see what was the change that was done on this particular cell. So this is the content that would be visible to you in accept or reject changes. Along with this, we have 4 buttons. The first one is accept, the second one is reject, the third one is accept all, and the fourth one is reject all. Using the first one, I can accept the content that has been changed one by one. Using the second one, I can reject the changes that can be done one by one. Using the third option, I can accept all the changes in one go, and using the last option, which is reject all, I can reject all the changes in one go. So let us start with the first one. I want to accept the first change which has been done from the empty cell to Hina. So I would accept it, and the color which was highlighted with the red would vanish from here. Now the second one, I want to vanish or I want to remove the changes that was done from 12th to empty. So I would click on reject and I would see the data again. And again for the last one, if I want to accept all the changes, I would click on the third button. So this is how you can accept or reject the changes that has been done by you or that has been done by the another person. Thank you so much.